What's going on, fam? This Chef Matthews coming to you. Today, we are going to do a chicken mushroom basil fettuccine Alfredo. What? It's going to be delicious. That's what it look like when it's done. We're going to start off by boiling the noodles in some of my seafood ball. That's my secret to any of my mac and cheese, any of my noodle dishes. I boil it in my butt naked. What? All right, guys. Anytime I do noodle dishes, mac and cheese, spaghetti, rice dishes, I always add a little seafood ball to it. That's my secret. It gives your noodles a flavor, and that's what it's all about. Layering flavors. Try that seafood ball, I promise you. Today we're going to use some chicken thighs. The reason why, because they stay juicy the longest. They're nice, moist meat. We're going to clean that fat off. Get off of that fat you. We're going to season up our thighs with some butt naked lemon pepper and Creole dust, my original. You guys can always find those online as well. Now, thighs really don't need a lot of olive oil. They stay pretty juicy themselves, but I just want to put some on there also just to ensure the juiciness. You heard me? All right. Now, guys, I got that temperature pretty high because I want a nice crust. I'm going to finish these thighs in the oven, but I want a nice crust on them. So we're going to do a high temperature about, 420, 450, around that area, just to get a nice crust on them. See what I'm saying? Look at that. It look like a face. What face is that? Like somebody's dog. All right, guys, look how that crust on them. We constantly flip them, too, because we don't want them to burn because I'm cooking them on high heat. Like I said, I just want a crust on them. Fam, got a nice crust on them. Let's finish them in the oven. So I'm gonna put them on about 350. Maybe we'll go about 20, 25 minutes. That's what we'll do. All right, while that's doing that, let's get this sauce together. We got some Asiago, some Parmigiano. All right, guys, in a dry pan, let's put those mushrooms in, okay? What we want to do is no oil, no nothing. We want to dry those mushrooms out. They got plenty of water in them, okay? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to dry them out, get that nice nutty flavor. Then we'll add our butter in, let our butter matriculate with the mushrooms. While that's doing that, we're going to grate that Parmigiano. We're going to grate that Asiago. Much as you guys want. Remember, it's how you eat. I just kind of give you guys a little instruction, but you guys put as much or as little as you want. We got some heavy whipping cream as well. It's going to be the base of our sauce. So while that butter and that mushrooms together, now let's add that heavy cream in. All right, we're going to add some garlic and some basil paste. Grate that cheese up. All right, and let's pick some basil leaves off. We're going to add those in later. That sauce thickens up. Getting our noodles together. Don't forget, guys, put the seafood ball in it. Trust me. Chicken is done. Just cooked through and through to internal temperature about 165. That's where you want it. All right, let's set them aside. Now, what I'm going to do is all that flavor from that chicken, I'm going to put that pan and I'm going to transfer that Alfredo sauce to all that pan with all the chicken droppings and chicken juice and all that flavor in it. See, we want that flavor. All right, guys. A little parsley. Get that thicken up. Now we want to start incorporating our cheese, our Asiago, Parmigiano blend. We want to start incorporating that and that heavy cream mixture with those mushrooms, all right? Want to blend that up, get that nice and melted. All right. Look at it. Ain't it pretty? All right. Just to make sure it's loose, I'm going to put a little pasta water in there as well. All right? Just so it don't thicken up too fast. All right, my noodles are done. Plenty of black pepper. Let's not forget the black pepper. Sauce is good, guys. I wish y'all could smell it. We're going to hit it with a little lemon pepper and some Creole dust. All right. All right, let's add our noodles, our fettuccines. All right, now here we go. Let's add. We don't want to put too much. Now, see, that's about right. But I have more folks show up at the house, so I'll put it all in. They didn't care. They're going to eat it anyway. All right, now let's flip it. Let's coat those fettuccine noodles with that sauce. Look at it. Ain't that pretty, y'all? Oh, damn mercy. I wish y'all could smell it. All right, let's top it with that fresh basil we picked. As much as you guys want. Okay? All right. Hit with some black pepper. All right, the Alfredo's done. All right, now let's cut this chicken up. You can do it any slices. Slice it, chunk it, however you want to do it. I wanted some nice, fairly large pieces only because I want everybody to make sure they get some chicken with that Alfredo. Okay? All right, guys, there it is. Looking good, huh? Hit it with some fresh parsley. All right, now you think that's it, right? Nah, I'm not done. Remember that confit I made with that garlic, rosemary, and olive oil? Yeah, baby, I'm about to top it off with that. Yep. Top it off with the confit. Garlic, rosemary, olive oil. Yep. Look at them garlic cloves just falling in there. Man, that looks so good. I can't wait to eat this. Let's see what it tastes like. That's what's up, Lord. Oh, one more thing. Hit it with some lemon when it's done. Yummy. Everything but naked, baby. Let's eat.